Hi guys, Sai is here back with another interesting and most important video, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how to unlock Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco devices bootloader without PC in one click. No matter if you are on MIUI or HyperOS, this method works for both versions. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay, let's talk about the process. So first of all, you need to enable developer option. So open your settings, then log in your MIUI ID. Make sure your MIUI ID link with your phone number. It's very mandatory. Okay, then go on about section and tap on MIUI version, or if you are on HyperOS then definitely you need to tab on HyperOS or MIUI version 6 to 7 times. After tab, developer option is enabled on additional settings. Okay, so open additional settings. In my case I already log in my MIUI ID. Okay, Xiaomi ID, definitely log in your Xiaomi ID, then enable the find my device option. Okay, then came on additional settings, then came on developer option, enable developer option, also enable OEM unlocking, then tab on Mi unlock status, and you need to add your Mi account. Okay, I already added, so I'm not going to repeat this thing. Okay, because if I going to repeat these things then my timing will be reset if any time is came while I am going to unlock my device. Okay, so I'm showing you this all the things. One important point which you note to need, that if you are on HyperOS then you need to take permission on Mi community. If you don't know how to take permission on Mi community, I already made one video on this topic. I will give link on description. So first of all, follow that video. After that, came here and repeat this process from starting to ending. Same process. Okay, so boot your device on fast boot mode. Okay, how to boot on fast boot mode? It's very simple. Turn off your device. First of all, switch off your device. After that, hold volume down and power key. When screen is turned on, leave power key but don't leave volume down key. Hold the volume down key until this fast boot logo or Mi Bunny logo is came. That means if this option is came, means your device on fast boot mode. Now you need to connect on another device. Okay, with OTG. In another device you need to download one tool which is Mi Unlock tool. Okay, which is phone base. Okay, which works on phone. This is a MiTools. You can download this tool from this GitHub site. I will provide link on description. So simply you need to download this tool. Okay, this is in APK format. It's very easy process to unlock with the help of this tool. Okay, so I'm going to download this tool. On bottom, click on this version. Like this is the latest version. Presently I'm recording this video. Click on assist option, then here it is the APK, MiTools APK. Click on it, then download. Okay, after done download, install this MiTools application. So here it is the application. Install on your device. I already installed this application. Okay, and I already log in my ID on this tool. So you need to log in your ID in this tool. Okay, after done login, just connect your OTG section with this computer phone. Okay, and another USB type C is connected with our device which we need to unlock. Okay, just tab on unlock, and here it is. As we can see, it says connect your device on fast boot mode. I connect my device on fast boot mode, but it's giving me some errors. I try a lot of time, but there is no pop-up is came. So I change the device. I change the computer device. Okay, because this big device is not going to work. Maybe some connection errors is came. So that's why I install my MiTool application on this device, on this small device. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm going to log in my MIUI ID. Okay, which ID you need to log in? Which is already you add on your the device, which device you want to unlock, right? Okay, now I'm going to connect. When you connect now, then this pop-up is came. Then check the box and click on OK. This pop-up came is mandatory. Then click on unlock. Okay, then click on continue. Then unlocking process will be started. So here it is, the token is generated. Now click on continue. It will erase your whole data on your device. Which device? Which you want to unlock. As you can see on right side, my device is unlocked. The unlocked signal is came and when you unlock your bootloader, your data will be erased, your mobile will be factory reset. As we can see, factory reset is done. That means bootloader is unlocked. One another signal, as we can see on bottom, unlock text schemes or unlock that lock schemes. Okay, that means your bootloader unlocking process done. So this is the video. Okay, very simple method. You can use this method on your any Xiaomi, Poco, Redmi device, even it on HyperOS or MIUI. Same process for HyperOS and MIUI. If you are on HyperOS, just you need to take permission on Mi community. So how to take Mi communication permission, I already made video on this topic, so I will give link on description, so follow that video. Okay, after that you can follow this entire process to unlock your device. No need PC. This all the process will be done without PC. It's very easy method. Okay, so this is the video. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.